Good day, everyone. Welcome to Math Sudan. Here is a powerful question we have on the board, which is double integration. And what does double integration mean? Double integration is integrating the function two times, like integrating value two times. So we are going to integrate first with respect to their value and integrate second. We also have the multiple integral. I'm going to do that in my next video. So do it to follow my channel. So we have a integral of 1 to 2, which is the boundary. These are the boundary. And we also have integral of 2 to 4. That's double integral with respect to what? X and y. And the function we are integrating is x plus 2y. Right? So for us to do this now, if you are having the value for x, if you are differentiating the value for x, y will be constant. And if you are differentiating with the value for y, x will be constant. Do you understand? So let's integrate this first. You are going to integrate this first, then integrate the second one. That's the reason why we call it double integral. So integrating this first with respect to x. So integrating, let's write the first integral. The first integral, right? And the first integral is what? 2 to 4. Then with the function of what? X plus 2y dx. I brought this down. Do you understand? So now integrating x is what? That's x squared over 2. You know that the law of integration has stated that x raised to the power of n. If you are integrating this, you are going to have, with respect to x, you are going to have x raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Do you understand? Plus c. So this is the law of integration. So that's what we are going to apply to this. Integrating x is what? X squared over 2. Because there's 1 here. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Then 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Plus integrating 2y. I told you that 2y is a constant value. And if you integrate any function, if you integrate, let's say you are integrating 2 now, 2 dx. Integrating 2 dx will be what? 2x plus c. Right? Why? Because of what? There's this value like this, 2 raised to the power of 0. And you know that s raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So if you're applying the law of integration, that was 0 plus, that will now be 2x, 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. You're going to have what? 2x1, which s raised to the power of 1 is what? X over what? 1. So you are still going to get what? 2x plus c. Do you understand? So, okay. So now we are going to integrate this now. So if you are integrating 2y, you are going to have what? 2xy, right? So we take, what's the boundary? 2 to what? 4. Do you understand? So we are going to substitute for this and we are going to substitute for this. You understand how limit of a boundary? We have boundary A, we also have limit boundary A and limit boundary B. So we are going to have what? 4 square over 2 plus 2 open bracket. Whenever I see x, you substitute, which is 4y, then close bracket minus 2 open bracket what? That's 2 square. X is what? 2 square over 2 plus 2 open bracket 2y. Right? Then you close. So what do? 4 square is what? That's 16. Then that'll be 16 over 2 plus 2 times 4 is what? 8y. Right? Minus 2 square is what? 4 over 2 plus 2 times 2 is what? That's 4. That's 4y. Right? So 16 plus 6 is what? 16 divided by 2 is what? That's 8 plus 8y minus 4 divided by 2 is what? That's 2. Minus times plus is what? Minus. Then 4y. Right? So what are you going to have? You are going to have 8 minus 2 is what? That's 6. Plus 8y minus 4y is what? 4y. Right? So you are going to have plus 4y. So you have the first integral. You have integrated this. So you are now going to substitute this into this, since you have already found the first integral. Do you understand? So substituting this into this now, we are now going to have the new integral as integral of 1 to 2, and this new integration that we did here, which is 6 plus 4y with respect to what? dy. Can you see that it's very simple? So now we have integral, we have the new integrals. I is equals to what? 1 to 2, then 6 plus 4y. So we are now integrating with respect to what? Y, right? Now if you are integrating with respect to y, we will integrate 6. Then what's the integral for 6? The integral for 6 is what? 6y plus the integral for 4y is what? That's 4y squared over 2, right? Then the boundary is from what? 2 to 1, 2 to 1, right? So we are going to substitute it for upper limit and lower limit. So substituting it, we are going to have what? 6 open bracket 2, the y is 2, right? Plus 4 divided by 2 is what? That's 2. Open bracket 2 square, right? So minus the lower limit, which is 6 open bracket 1 plus 2 open bracket what? 1 square, then close bracket. So now we solve everything, which is 6 times 2 is what? 12 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2 is 8 minus 6 times 1 is what? 6 minus times plus is what? Minus. Then 2 times 1 square is what? 2. So what are we going to have? 12 plus 8 is what? 20 minus 6 minus 2, right? 20 minus 6 is what? 14. 14 minus 2 is what? That's 12. So that's our integral. So we can now say that the integral of 1 to 2 and 2 to 4 of x plus 2y dx dy will now be equals to what? 12. So that's the integral for this boundary. If you have any question or any issue, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like, follow my channel on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube for more videos. Thanks, bye.